Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off auto-changing wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy M06 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and of course, wallpaper settings. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. Now in the search bar, type in Wallpaper Services. You might see a few other unrelated options pop up, like those dealing with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, but just ignore those for now. What we want is the setting that controls your lock screen wallpaper behavior. Step 4. From the search results, tap on Wallpaper Services. This will bring you into a screen where you can change how wallpapers behave on your lock screen. Once you're inside, you'll notice an option called Wallpaper Services again. Go ahead and tap that. Step 5. For the last and most important step, you're almost done. If the dynamic lock screen option is enabled, this is what's causing your wallpaper to automatically change. To turn it off, select the None option. After you do that, make sure to tap Apply so the changes take effect. And that's it. Your wallpaper will no longer auto-change. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.